Robots are changing how we make things and do business. They are becoming more common in factories, warehouses, and hospitals. Industries are adopting robots to improve efficiency and productivity. Robots can work 24/7 without breaks. They can perform tasks with precision and speed. This revolution in robotics is driven by advancements in technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, allows robots to learn and adapt. Sensors and machine vision enable robots to perceive their surroundings. These advancements are opening up new possibilities for automation across various sectors. Robots have been used in manufacturing for decades. They are essential for tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. Car manufacturers, for instance, rely heavily on robots for production. Robots offer several advantages in manufacturing. They can work faster and more accurately than humans. Robots reduce errors and improve the quality of products. They also contribute to a safer work environment by handling dangerous tasks. The use of robots in manufacturing is expected to increase as they become more sophisticated and affordable. The rise of e-commerce has led to a surge in demand for logistics robots. These robots are used in warehouses and fulfillment centers for tasks such as picking, packing, and sorting. Robots in logistics help companies keep up with the rapid pace of online orders. They can work around the clock to fulfill customer demands. Robots improve efficiency by optimizing warehouse space and reducing delivery times. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba are investing heavily in robotics to improve their logistics operations. Robots are finding applications in healthcare, assisting surgeons and providing rehabilitation. Surgical robots allow for minimally invasive procedures with greater precision. Rehabilitation robots help patients recover motor skills after strokes or injuries. Robots can also assist with tasks like dispensing medication and monitoring patients. The use of robots in healthcare can improve patient outcomes and reduce the workload on medical professionals. However, ethical considerations and the importance of human interaction in healthcare remain crucial. Section 5. Benefits of robots, efficiency, precision, and more. The adoption of robots offers numerous benefits to industries. Robots enhance efficiency by automating tasks and streamlining processes. They can perform repetitive tasks without fatigue or error, leading to higher productivity. Robots also offer unparalleled precision in manufacturing, healthcare, and other fields. They can perform intricate tasks with accuracy beyond human capabilities. By taking on dangerous or strenuous tasks, robots can create safer work environments for humans. Additionally, robots can work continuously, reducing downtime and increasing output. Section 6. Challenges of robots, costs, jobs, and ethics. Despite the numerous benefits, implementing robots also presents challenges. The initial cost of acquiring and integrating robots can be substantial, posing a barrier for some businesses. The potential displacement of human workers by robots is a significant concern. As robots become more sophisticated, they may take over tasks previously performed by humans, leading to job losses. Ethical considerations, particularly in fields like healthcare and autonomous vehicles, are crucial. Ensuring robot safety, transparency in decision-making, and responsible use are essential aspects. Section 7. Real-world examples: companies using robots today. Numerous companies across various industries are successfully integrating robots into their operations. Tesla, known for its electric vehicles, heavily utilizes robots in its manufacturing plants. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, employs robots extensively in its warehouses for order fulfillment. In healthcare, Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci surgical system is used in hospitals worldwide for minimally invasive procedures. These examples demonstrate the tangible benefits and increasing prevalence of robots in modern industries. Section 8. The future of robots: smarter, more adaptable, more prevalent. Advancements in artificial intelligence, sensor technology, and machine learning are shaping the future of robotics. Robots are becoming more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of performing complex tasks. Collaborative robots, or cobots, designed to work alongside humans, are gaining popularity. The development of autonomous robots capable of making independent decisions is also progressing rapidly. The future of robotics holds immense potential for increased automation across industries, impacting various aspects of work and daily life. Section 9. Balancing the equation, robots and the future of work. The rise of robots presents both opportunities and challenges. While robots offer significant benefits in efficiency, productivity and innovation, they also raise concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. It is essential to find a balance between embracing automation and safeguarding the interests of workers. Investing in education and training programs to equip workers with new skills for a robot-driven economy is crucial. The future of work will likely involve collaboration between humans and robots, requiring adaptability, creativity, and lifelong learning. A thoughtful and ethical approach to automation will be paramount in shaping a future where robots and humans can thrive together.